morning, my dear students. So, students, today we are going to start our history fourth chapter, that is Maharashtra before the times of Shivaji Maharaj. Okay, students, shall I start? Okay. So, students, as we learned earlier, as we learned in our previous lessons, that at the beginning of 7th century, most of the territory or most of the area places in Maharashtra was under the control of whom? Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. All of you underline this sentence, that most of the territory in Maharashtra was under the control of Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. The Mughals had entered Khandesh. Why they entered Khandesh? What was their main motive? What was their main aim? So their main object was to expand their power. उनका power expand करना, बढ़ाना. In which area? In the south. The main objective of Mughal was to expand their power in the south. There were settlements, and because of that they made settlements of Siddhi people who had come from Africa. जो अफ्रीका से people आए थे, सिद्धि people आए थे, उनके साथ उन्होंने settlement कर दी along the coastline of Konkan. And the competition and conflict among the Portuguese, the British, French and the Dutch who had come from Europe was intense during this period. There was a stiff competition between them, between Portuguese, British, French and Dutch people. There was a stiff competition. For what purpose? To capture the markets for trade or for business. Market को capture करना. For what purpose? To capture the markets for business, for trade. The Portuguese had already settled their power, their rule in Goa and Vasai on the western coastline. Portuguese had already established. Portuguese लोगों ने already वो set हो गए थे. कहाँ पे? Already उन्होंने अपना power Goa and Vasai on western coastline, where they established their power and rule. The British, Dutch and French had found an entry through the medium of trading companies by setting up factories. The British people, Dutch and French people had also the medium of trading, medium of business of the companies by setting up of factories. All these powers assessed the strength of the powers, kept themselves safe and tried to dominate as much as possible. And their conflict, their dispute, this conflict or this dispute had created this dispute, and this conflict or dispute की वजह से क्या create हो गया? Created instability and insecurity in Maharashtra. These different people from Europe were called Topkar on the basis of their customary headgear. These different people from Europe are called Topkar on the basis of their customary headgear. Here what we learn, that there is a conflict or a competition between Portuguese, British and Dutch who had come from Europe. For what kind of competition or conflict? To capture the market for business, for trade. So let's see further. It is necessary to get acquainted with the village. The main object is also to capture the village small village, big village, that is called Mauja, Kasbah and Pargana. To understand the nature of settlements in that period, as also of the officers that form a link between the rulers and their subjects, and also the markets and the craftsmen. Pargana was made of many villages. As Pargana, regarding Pargana, further more information we learn in detail, we learn later. But Pargana means what? Many villages come together, that is Pargana. Pargana was made up of many villages. So generally, the headquarters of Pargana ka headquarters was called Kasbah. A village smaller than Kasbah. Kasbah जो विलेज है वो छोटा विलेज इज कॉल्ड मौजा. कस्बा से छोटा विलेज को बोलते हैं मौजा. लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड मोर डिटेल फर्दर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड ब्रीफ अबाउट विलेज कस्बा, मौजा एंड परगना respectively. All of you understood here? Okay. Next is village. Village is also known as Mauja. Village, what is the another name for village? Mauja. So most of the people lived in a village. So the chief of the village का जो chief था कौन था? The chief of the village is Patil. What was his duties? What was his responsibilities? See, Patil, he used to try to bring maximum land under cultivation because he is the chief of the village. So because of that, he tried to bring maximum land under his cultivation. And when any conflict, when any disputes, when any wrong things happen in a village, so the Patil solved this problem with and made a peace. अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, कुछ डिस्प्यूट्स कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स चालू है, तो पाटिल, व्हाट वाज द ड्यूटी ऑफ पाटिल? टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम एंड मेंटेन पीस इन द विलेज. अ कुलकर्णी हेल्प द पाटिल इन हिज वर्क. कुलकर्णी इज another person who helped Patil in his work. Kulkarni, in short, we can call assistant of Patil, who helped Patil in his work. Kulkarni kept the record of the revenue that was collected, and there were various artisans in the villages. They had hereditary rights regarding their occupation. Many artisans are there, painters and many carpenters, many artisans are there in the village. So what villagers did? The peasants gave a share of their agricultural produce to the artisans, those who provide the service. What peasants did? They gave their share to that artisans who provide the service, who rendered the service to the village community. This share was known as baluta. What was known? What is baluta? So baluta means what? The peasants gave the share of their agriculture produce to the artisans for the services, whatever services they provide. Behalf of that services, they gave some share of to that artisans, and this share was known as baluta. Understood? All of you understood village or mauja? In this we learn that village has another name of village is mauja. The chief of the village is known as Patil. What was his duties? There was, if any disputes, any conflicts were there, Patil solved that problem and maintain a peace, made a peace. A Kulkarni who helped Patil in his work. He maintained record of the revenue. Here also we learn that the peasants gave their share in agricultural produce to the artisans for the services which they provided, and this share was known as baluta. All of you understood mauja? Anyone have any doubt? Okay. So next is kasbah. Kasbah means what? Kasbah means big village. Kasbah means big village. Kasbah was like a big village. It was usually the headquarters of a pargana. Kasbah was usually the headquarters of pargana. Pargana, the more detail of pargana we learn further. For example, Indapur Kasbah of Indapur Pargana. Why Kasbah of Why Pargana. These are the headquarters of those parganas. So agriculture was the main occupation of the people in that period. So there were skilled artisans also there. Agriculture also main occupation, but there were many skilled artisans are there, like carpenters, blacksmiths, etc. in a kasbah. There was usually a market or a pet. Market was also there in a kasbah, because kasbah was like a big village. So in that big village there was a market also. So the Shette and Mahajan were the watandars of that pet of a market. Who were the watandars of the market or a pet? Shette and Mahajan. Underline this sentence. The Shette and Mahajan were the watandars of the pet. Phillips will ask, the dash and dash were the watandars of the pet. So answer is Shette and Mahajans were the watandars of the pet. Every village did not necessarily have a pet. Every village not necessary to have the pet of every village. No. They setting up their pet was the job of the Shettes and the Mahajans. For that they received, and to set up the market, to set up the pet, land required. So they received some land from government. Government से उनको land मिलती है, and some rights from the villagers also. So the Mahajan maintained the accounts of the pet or a market. Who maintained the records of market? Mahajan. The Mahajan maintained the accounts or records of the pet or a market. Understood kasbah? Again I will repeat. Kasbah means a big village. In here the main occupation was agriculture, and besides that there were many artisans also there, like carpenters and blacksmith. The Shette and Mahajan were the watandars of the pet or the market. They received, the Shette and Mahajans received some land from government or some rights from villagers, and the Mahajans who maintained the accounts of that pet or of the market. All of you understood, students? Village or a mauja or a kasbah. Okay. Next is pargana. So pargana means many villages come together and made a pargana. Pargana means what? Many villages together made a pargana. The number of villages was not the same in all parganas. सबका villages parganas का same होगा, number same होगा. It's not necessary. The number is different. For example, Pune Pargana was a big pargana. Why? Because in Pune Pargana it consisted of 290 villages. पुणे परगना पुणे में पुणे परगना में कितने विलेजेस इंक्लूड थे? 290 villages. There were 64 villages in Chakan Pargana. The Shirwal Pargana was a very small because it had only 40 villages, and that's why Pune Pargana was a very big Pargana because it consisted 290 villages. So Deshmukh and Deshpande were the Watandar officers of the Pargana. So we learn in a village or a Mauja that the chief of the village was Patil and Kulkarni was the who helped Patil in his work. Same way in Pargana there were two members, that Deshmukh and Deshpande were the Watandar officers of the Pargana. Here the responsibility of Deshmukh was the chief of Patil in Pargana. As we learn that Patil was the chief of the village, and in Pargana Patil का chief कौन है? Deshmukh. And Kulkarni का chief Deshpande. Means the Deshmukh was the chief of Patils in Pargana. Deshmukh did at the only at the Pargana level what the Patil did only at a village level. Patil did their work only a one village, whereas Deshmukh's work is related to many villages because Deshmukh's work is related to Pargana. The Deshpande was the chief of all Kulkarnis in the Pargana. Same way Deshpande did at the Pargana level. Same way the work that Kulkarnis did at the village level. सेम वर्क जो कुलकर्णी विलेज लेवल के लिए करता है, सेम वर्क वो देशपांडे परगाना लेवल के लिए करता है. These वतनदार ऑफिसर्स means Deshmukh and Deshpande were the link between the people and the government. The Deshpande and Deshmukh Watandar officers, these Watandar officers were the link between dash and dash, between people and the government. In case of enemy invasion or a drought or in case of any natural calamities, if any natural calamities were there, so these Watandas, these Deshmukh and Deshpandes represented the grievances of the people to the government. Sometimes these officers misuse their powers. Sometimes whatever power they had, sometimes they misused their powers. They collected more money from the people than was due or did not remit the money, so collected to the government on time. Whatever power they had, sometimes they misused their power and they collected more money from people. On such occasions, the people suffered harassment. They harassed people by collecting more money. Understood Pargana? Pargana is many villages come together, that is Pargana. The number of villages was not same in a Pargana. Here Pune Pargana was a very big Pargana because it consisted 290 villages. Here in Pargana, Deshmukh and Deshpande were the Watandar officers of the Pargana. Deshmukh was chief of the Patil, whereas Deshpande was chief of the Kulkarnis. Deshpande did the Pargana level and work that Kulkarnis did the village level. These Watandar officers, Deshpande and Deshmukh, these Watandar officers were the link between the people and the government. Sometimes these officers use their power, misuse their power by collecting more money from government, and on such occasions they harass the people. All of you understood, students, the difference between Kasbah and Pargana? Kasbah is a big village, whereas Pargana is many villages come together, that is Pargana. Mauja is most of the people lived in a village. In Mauja or in village, the chief of the village was Patil, who solved the problems in village. The Kulkarni who helped Patil in his work. In Pargana, there were two Vatandas, Deshmukh and Deshpande. Deshmukh did the Pargana level, and Deshpande was the help him in his work. All of you understood, students? Anyone have any doubt in Mauja, Kasbah and Pargana? Okay, students.